Hi everyone, this is Ali John Chaudhary, psychotherapist, and some of you may be wondering what the intensive workshop on improving my self-esteem after my sibling estrangement is all about. And as your compassionate guide on this transformative journey, I'm excited to embark on this path of self-discovery and healing with a select few people for 4 sessions together. I've been wanting to paint a picture of what this experience looks like. So in Module 1, we'll lay the groundwork for our journey ahead, setting our intentions and mapping out our destination, a place of greater self-esteem and inner strength. Each participant will have the opportunity to share their hopes and aspirations, fostering a supportive community dedicated to growth and empowerment. And together we'll confront the impact of sibling estrangement on our self-esteem, refusing to let it dictate our worth and define our lives. By bravely exposing the voices of our inner critic, we'll shed the light on negative beliefs that hold us back and examine the discomfort they bring. Now, this exploration will serve as a compass, guiding us towards greater self-awareness and resilience in the sessions to come. As we reflect on our progress, we'll celebrate the small victories and identify areas for growth, laying the foundation for transformation. To solidify our learnings, you'll receive a personalized homework exercise to integrate these newfound insights into your daily life. In Module 2, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the invaluable allies who will support you in your quest to reclaim your self-esteem. That's very important because in this transformational module, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the powerful allies standing by your side. And together, we'll explore the inner resilience that lies within you and the external support networks waiting to uplift you. That's not all. We'll dive into innovative and creative strategies to harness the strength of your allies. In a world where the inner critic holds sway, it's essential to amplify the voices of encouragement, resilience, and self-compassion that surround us. Throughout our time together, we'll navigate the intricacies of this inner space, cultivating it as a sanctuary for empowerment and growth. And by embracing the diverse voices vying for our attention, we'll unlock new pathways to healing and self-empowerment. As we reflect on our journey so far, we'll celebrate your progress and delve into new homework assignments designed to deepen your understanding and integration of our empowering principles. With the support of your allies, you have the power to rewrite your story and embrace a future filled with resilience, authenticity, and inner peace. On Module 3, we'll dive into the profound effects of the homework exercise on the grip of discomfort exerted by our inner critics. Together, we'll shine a light on the progress made and explore how our allies have contributed to our resilience and empowerment. But that's not all. We'll elevate the role of our allies in a new and empowering way, tapping into their strengths to confront the inner critic head-on. And throughout interactive exchanges and shared insights, we'll uncover the wisdom gained from our collective experiences, fostering a sense of connection and support within the group. Armed with the support of our allies, we'll turn the tables on the inner critic, reclaiming our power and using its own methods against it. Each strategic move will chip away at its stronghold and pave the way for greater self-compassion and inner peace. And as we conclude our session, you'll receive an actionable homework exercise designed to further empower you on your journey of self-discovery and healing. And this personalized tool will serve as a roadmap to continued growth and transformation, empowering you to thrive in every aspect of your life. In Module 4, we'll revisit the insights and support gained on your path towards reclaiming your self-esteem amidst sibling estrangement. Together, we'll celebrate the indicators of success you've achieved and become mindful of any potential risk factors that may challenge your progress. Drawing upon our collective wisdom, we'll explore creative and personalized strategies to foster continued empowerment tailored to your unique journey. Through open dialogue and shared experiences, we'll uncover new pathways to resilience and self-compassion. But the journey doesn't end there. In our final experiential exercise, we'll liberate ourselves from the perception of being held back by our self-esteem or any other issue. With courage and determination, we'll break free from limiting beliefs and embrace our inherent worth and potential. As we conclude our workshop, we'll reflect on the invaluable lessons learned and address any final questions or concerns you may have. Together, we'll bid farewell with gratitude for the transformational journey we've shared and the empowering tools you'll carry forward into your life. Here's hoping this speaks to you as much as it does to me. I look forward to being a guide for those of you who want to go further and make use of cutting-edge tools to serve you on your journey towards wellness and empowerment with sibling estrangement. May you continue to walk your path with strength, authenticity, and unwavering self-belief. Take care, everybody. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.